This is the brook during the hurricane. This is Daddy picking up the big sticks. See how big it is? And I can't even hear myself talk. And then there's another one that Daddy just picked up. It's even bigger. There's still some branches. And now we're walking over to the other side of the brook. We're walking. And then there's some more tree branches. See?
Yeah.
Say hi, Daddy. That's Daddy.
Hi.
And now we're walking down the street, or the driveway. And there's a bunch of little sticks. I'm not videotaping you doing that. There's nothing that's fallen here. There's a fire we had yesterday, then some firewood. We're almost to the road. And there's a whole bunch of stuff all over it. And we're walking across the street.
Please hold down.
And there's another. And there's a whole bunch of trees. Usually there's a path, but the tree is blocking it. Then there's some trees that bent over.
Way down there.
We go see.
Whoa.
We'll get the golf cart and I'll drive down there.
And we're going back to get the golf cart. And that is all I'm going to show you. Goodbye.